Hey friends, welcome to my kitchen. If you're new here, my name is Mel, and every week I like to share with you just what's happening in my kitchen. I share easy, quick, budget-friendly meals every week, and I also usually show a grocery haul. Now my grocery hauls are a little bit different. I'm going to have two for you tonight. I'll have one from Walmart and one from Kroger. And I don't show a meal plan with my grocery hauls because I kind of plan from what I have and what's on sale and what I find actually. Most of what I'll be showing you here tonight is not going to be used this week, just the fresh produce stuff. I buy things when they are on sale, and I keep a fully stocked pantry and freezer. So I just have very few items that I have to buy every week. Both of these hauls are just some things that I like to stock up on, and we'll eat off of these things for the next few weeks or even a month, some of it. So anyway, let me show you what I got. Here's the Walmart portion of this week's haul. Didn't really need groceries, just needed a few fresh things and some stuff for lunches. Now that everybody is like not at home or here to eat during the day like they were in the summer. You got to have these things to pack. So we were at Walmart and I just grabbed them while we were there. Got a box of whales. We love these, even better than Cheez-Its. I should have got 2 boxes because I just don't get to Walmart often. The chewy chocolate chip granola bars. These are our favorite. And Kroger's been out of them. And I can't remember if we really like the Great Value. I'm sure I will. But Maddie, she's kind of funny about her granola bars. And these were right at the front when you come in. And we haven't had them in a long time. So we just went ahead and got them. Got a big bag of the veggie straws. The sea salt flavor. Those also travel really well in lunches when you have to like pack them and take them to school or work. And they're just very good. So I got those. And look here, I have not seen these in so long. Chick-fil-A they got me. They got me hooked on these crispy red peppers that they give with their salad. And these are just the very same thing. Got a bag of butter lettuce salad and 1 red bell pepper. And these, I have been looking for these. This is Country Pride. I think this used to be called Pilgrim's tempura chicken nuggets. I don't remember them being raw. I've never been able to find them. But my friend Kat at Southern Farming Kitchen, she says these are delicious. They're kind of like McDonald's nuggets. I mean, who don't want a McNugget every now and again? But anyway, I finally saw these out in the center aisle. I don't know if hers were raw or not. I'm going to have to message Kat and find out, but I'm anxious to try them. And this is something that my mom had at her house a couple Sundays ago. They're corn nuggets. Let's see, where'd the name go? Pecos Valley Farms. Corn nuggets. And it's like a tater tot, but it's got corn and stuff in it. Oh my gosh, she did those in her air fryer and they were amazing. And then the family has done eating their last box of taquitos. I got them at Walmart, so I got another. Oh, and I went ahead and grabbed another big pack of these. This is my breakfast. If anybody ever wanted to see what I eat for breakfast, right here you go. This is 27 packs, almost a month worth of breakfast for me. But I also put them in Patrick's lunch for a snack, but I could eat breakfast, 10 or 11 o'clock if I'm here to make it, like in the morning. But I can't eat it first thing. So that's what I have about 8:30 or 9 o'clock in the morning, a pack of crackers. So let me show you what I got at Kroger this week. Guys, I forgot the most important thing. I went ahead and got me a couple of these Great Value fall candles. I hadn't bought any yet. And I still have some fall candles from Bath & Body Works where I got them super cheap. But this was $5. This spiced apple is so good. And these are the ones I was showing you in my little reel on Instagram. The labels peel right off of them. Just like the Bath & Body Works candles. And oh, this one is so good. Let's see if they have the notes on them somewhere. Spiced apple. Apple with cinnamon, almond, pumpkin, and molasses for a crisp and refreshing experience. Vanilla, spiced woods, and musk provide richness. And this is highly fragranced. It has a very good throw. And again, this is spiced apple. Oh, it smells just like an apple pie, like when you go in one of those little crafting country stores. Then I got pumpkin and waffles, which I love. And pumpkin and waffles has hot from the griddle, apple, pumpkin, and almond are layered with caramel, maple, praline, and vanilla for a mouth-watering experience, topped with brown sugar for an extra sprinkle of yum. I think I just gained 5 pounds reading it. This one is delicious. It smells so good. And these have this kind of lid. Some of them had these lids, which I didn't like that. I like these because I like to put my candle in it, like when I'm burning it like that, and then I'll put the lid back on top of the candle. But this is like I'm eating a can of peanuts or something, but I highly recommend these. Not the Mainstays so much. They're okay. The Mainstays brands are okay, but these great value ones that you get back there where the air fresheners are in the grocery area, they have the most absolute highly scented throw. You're going to love them. Okie dokie, friends. This was the Kroger haul this week. These were all things that just needed for lunches or were on their digital coupon specials that I just couldn't pass up. Got some face wash for my daughter. They had these big cans of coffee. These are 30.5 ounces, almost 2 pounds. You could get up to 5 of these for this price, but I just got 2 for $5.99 each. Not the cheapest I've seen them, but much better than we have had recently. The Nathan's hot dogs were also on the weekly digital download. These were $3.49 a pack, and I just got 3 packs of those. I'll put a couple of them back in the freezer and leave one out for now. Couple packs of gum for Maddie. Doritos. I went ahead and got 5 of them. 3 nacho, 2 Cool Ranch. These were $1.89 a bag. Seriously, that's cheaper than store brand potato chips anywhere. So I'll just put them back and we'll go through them eventually. I mean, we'll go through them. We pack lunches all the time. Got some Cosmic Brownies and some Star Crunches for lunches this week. Those are both $2.59 each. Then I happened to see this. These were some of the bigger Little Debbie cakes, peanut butter cream pies. And I just thought that sounded like something Patrick would love. And those were $3.99. So there you go. Just lunch stuff, coffee, and some really good cheap hot dogs. That's what I got at Kroger's this week. $53 and I saved $30. How you going to beat a deal like that? Hope you enjoyed those 2 quick little hauls. If you did, be sure and give them a big thumbs up. Subscribe and turn on your notifications if you're new. I'd love for you to be here and not miss a thing. And if you're into big money-saving grocery hauls, I'm going to throw a video up on the screen I think you'll enjoy. It's what I always buy cheap to stock up my pantry at Aldi. And until I see you in the next one, I send you love from my kitchen.